Hello all! Let me tell you about a billionaire who drove an old Volvo. Yes, you heard that right. In a world where the rich and famous flaunt their wealth with luxury cars and private jets, this man chose to drive a car that many would consider outdated and unremarkable. And if that wasn't enough to surprise you, he also took home free salt packets from restaurants. Imagine a billionaire, someone who could afford the finest things in life, pocketing those tiny salt packets that most of us overlook. Intrigued? You should be. This is not your typical rags-to-riches story. It's a tale of a man who remained grounded despite his soaring success. Ingvar Kamprad, the mastermind behind IKEA, built a global empire with flat-pack furniture. His vision was revolutionary, transforming the way people bought and assembled furniture. IKEA became synonymous with affordable, stylish and practical home solutions. But here's the kicker. Despite his immense wealth, Kamprad was incredibly frugal. He didn't let his billionaire status change his lifestyle. Instead, he embraced simplicity and practicality in every aspect of his life. He flew economy class, drove a beat-up Volvo, and preferred budget hotels. While other billionaires might indulge in first-class flights and five-star accommodations, Kamprad chose to live modestly. He even took home free salt and pepper packets from restaurants. This wasn't just about saving money, it was a reflection of his belief in minimizing waste and making the most of available resources. Kamprad's philosophy was simple: keep costs low to keep prices low. This principle was at the heart of IKEA's business model. By cutting unnecessary expenses, he ensured that IKEA products remained affordable for the average consumer. This frugality wasn't just a personal quirk, it was a business strategy that turned IKEA into a household name. Kamprad's approach to business was unconventional, but it worked. His commitment to cost efficiency and value creation set IKEA apart from its competitors. So, what's the lesson here? Kamprad's story teaches us that success doesn't always come from lavish spending or extravagant lifestyles. Sometimes the key to massive success isn't spending big, it's thinking small. It's about being resourceful, making smart choices and staying true to your values. After all, why buy new when the old works just fine? Kamprad's frugality extended to his personal life, where he believed in repairing and reusing items rather than replacing them. Ingvar Kamprad proved that with a bit of frugality, you can build an empire. His life is a testament to the power of simplicity and the impact of thoughtful, deliberate choices. So next time you visit an IKEA store, remember the man behind the brand and the values that built it. Kamprad was born in 1926 on a small farm in Sweden. From a young age, he showed an entrepreneurial spirit, selling matches to neighbors from his bicycle. He quickly realized he could buy matches in bulk cheaply and sell them individually at a profit. His business ventures expanded to selling fish, Christmas cards and ballpoint pens. By the time he was 17, Kamprad had saved enough money to start IKEA, which originally sold small household items like picture frames. The idea of flat-pack furniture came in the 1950s when Kamprad saw an employee remove the legs of a table to fit it into a car. This sparked the concept of selling furniture in flat packages, which reduced shipping costs and made it easier for customers to transport and assemble their purchases. Kamprad's leadership style was hands-on and humble. He was known to visit IKEA stores unannounced, talk to employees, and even help customers. His down-to-earth approach earned him respect and loyalty from his staff. Despite his wealth, Kamprad lived in a modest home, ate simple meals, and shopped at thrift stores. He believed in leading by example and often said that wasting resources was a sin. Kamprad was also known for his handwritten notes and personal letters to employees, sharing frugal tips and encouraging them to find cost-saving measures in their work. Under Kamprad's leadership, IKEA expanded globally, with stores in over 50 countries. The brand became known for its diverse product range, from furniture to home accessories, all designed with the same principles of affordability and practicality. Kamprad's legacy lives on through IKEA's continued success. His innovative approach to retail and unwavering commitment to frugality have left an indelible mark on the industry. Kamprad's story is a powerful reminder that true success comes from staying true to one's values and never losing sight of what's important. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating history bites. Until next time, keep exploring.